poem is entitled, Make We Belong the Nation. Written and edited by a photo. It goes like, make we belong the nation, cause this country has got a need. Make we come together and so achieve. There is trouble for this generation. So make we belong the nation. Make we belong the nation. Too much killing, robbery and greed. Tell the young youth that stop smoke weed. Come from abroad or you are a Jamaican. People make we belong the nation. Make we belong the nation. We are the doers that do a good deed. The hungry and the homeless, them we feel free. Whether out the street or in the congregation, people make we belong the nation. Make we belong the nation, cause the church is one foundation. No peace money, no vegetation, because right now we don't need no separation. So make we belong the nation. Make we belong the nation, because when things are right, these are blood with the peace. We are God's children, but from a bad breed. With the devil, no affiliation. So, make we belong the nation. Make we belong the nation. With God's people, we will have no relation. No matter where you come from or denomination. Whether brother